I'm Pallavi Deshmukh. I'm the CEO of Net Gaming, and we have been in the business for about 6 years now. We entered the US in 2023, and since then we've been expanding in the US, outside of the US as well. However, North America is our focus. The most important one was the technology and the stability. So I knew that Internet Vikings, the entire setup, the technology was quite advanced. The way they had set up the kind of, the servers and the data center, which our CISO, he explained me why Internet Vikings were better than some of the other providers in the market. Apart from the core technology, I think it was also the service, the people, their approach we thought was quite kind of positive. The culture was kind of very much aligned with Net Gaming, so I thought it would be a good company to go with. Extremely easy. My colleague, our IT team in general, they are in touch with the support team, they are in touch with Eliana, our account manager, and she's been brilliant. She's kind of always helped us out, answering any questions. Also like basic things like the ticketing system. It's super straightforward. We have access, like we manage the account, like we have full control over it, so it's quite easy to maneuver and like kind of deal with the team as well. So for sure, quite a straightforward kind of communication channel. Compliance definitely was the most important consideration for us, especially because we are focusing on regulated markets. So we wanted to make sure that our cloud solutions provider also had the same mentality, and they had all the certifications, they had all the licenses, like whatever was required. So it definitely is a key consideration. Also, when we apply for our licenses as a gaming content provider, we need to submit a lot of other supporting documents from our partners as well. So we wanted to make sure that our cloud solutions provider was someone that already has, like, let's say, like ISO certification, SOC certification, like all the kinds of compliance requirements that are required are taken care of. So yeah, for sure it was quite an important consideration for us, and Internet Vikings, they meet them. Yeah, we'll definitely continue working with Internet Vikings for the foreseeable future.